The peanut butter courgette bake is a slimming-friendly dish with a delicious satay-inspired sauce. We've kept everything veggie, but it works great with just about anything you like. Prepare the courgette by cutting a diamond pattern into it, then roast with an onion, fennel bulb, and 130 grams of baby corn for 30 minutes. While the veggies are roasting, mix the peanut butter sauce. Add 1 level tablespoon of peanut butter to 100 ml of reduced fat coconut milk, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of rice wine vinegar, and a 1 centimeter piece of fresh root ginger. Top tip alert: scrape off the skin with a teaspoon, it's much easier than using a knife. Add some chopped fresh chilli and a level teaspoon of agave syrup or honey, whichever you prefer. After 30 minutes, stir through a 400 gram tin of green lentils and pour half the peanut sauce over the part-cooked courgettes. Bake for another 10 minutes. At the end, add 60 grams of shredded sugar snap peas and 2 carrots peeled into ribbons. Garnish with lots of fresh coriander and serve with lime wedges and the rest of the sauce.